There's nothing worse than removing a wall graphic only to find that it's left a sticky adhesive residue behind. Or even worse, finding out that it's peeled the paint right off of the wall. In today's LexJet reviews, we are taking a look at a solution from our partners at General Formulations, one which makes installing and removing wall graphics a cinch. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get notifications whenever we drop new LexJet reviews or other videos. GF WallMark HTR is engineered to be both high-tack and removable, which could sound a little bit crazy, but true about this film. The HTR adhesive is designed to be aggressive enough to bond to low and zero VOC paints and allow for edge-to-edge printing, but it's just the right amount of tack where you can still reposition and remove your graphics cleanly for up to a year from most surfaces. That makes GF WallMark perfect for wall graphics, window graphics, retail, and general signage. Just put your graphics up and when you're ready for a change, they come right down. GF WallMark is available in 5 different textures: matte, canvas, leather, stucco, and sand to give your graphics added dimension. As with any wall graphic, proper wall preparation is your key to success for a trouble-free installation. If you have any questions about any of the GF WallMark solutions, call us at 1-800-4LEXJET and we'll be happy to help.